From the stone of the north to the river bend below, you waken for bright dreams, and everyone should know. Minarets in morning, tea sweet on the tongue. Mother says walk tall here, where the old and young stay young. Thompsons hold you